G'day guys, welcome back. As you can see, the car is absolutely filthy. And this week we're going to be putting Salty Captain to the test. We're going to be using their products, see how it goes. We're going to be using the full drive and RV wash, giving you our honest opinion on them. Let's get straight into it. Let's show you how bad the car is.
So we've got the Salty Captain Full Drive and Anti-Rust Bucket Bundle here. It comes with 3 washers, which includes the Chassis Champ, which is used for getting all that salt and grime off the car if you're driving on the beaches or anywhere like that. The Full Drive and RV Wash, which is just a general cleaner that's used for getting all the mud off your car, perfect for today. And then lastly, the Grease Attack, which can be used to get all the grease and grime out of your engine bay and underneath your car. The kit also comes with a hair mitt and a towel, obviously a bucket, a scrub brush for your tyres, and then it comes with the foaming gun, which is used for a garden hose. Otherwise, you can opt for the foaming cannon if you have a pressure cleaner.
So this is the foam gun itself. It also comes with in the kit a hose attachment and attachments to put to your boat motor so that you can plug it straight into the boat motor. That is pretty nice, and it also has measurements on the side. So when we use the full drive and RV wash like we are today, it is a 1:10 soap to water ratio. So we can easily find that with just by using the little gauge that's got on the side. That's what the bottle recommends. You should get quite a few washes out of this. Then we'll grab the spray gun, put it on there, give it a little bit of a shake around, and that should be set to go. Set it to foam. It's got little sections on here, so all the way forward is foam. So there are 4 steps to using this, and they just say it on the side: prep, soak, scrub, and rinse. Prep is just what I just said to you, just 1:10 ratio water to soap. Soak is you spray it on the car, let it sit for about a minute, and then scrub is wash it all off with the mitt and rinse it off. You rinse it off at the end with the water. So we're going to get into washing it now. When you make your gun, do not forget to fit the seals, because if you don't fit the seals, it will leak everywhere. Can see that has made a massive difference already. I obviously got some overspray with the bottle, and it's already started eating away at all of this junk that was over here and over there. But now we're going to spray rest the car, put a bit more foam on it, and let it sit for a couple more minutes again, and do the exact same thing for the rest of the car. You can quite literally see everything coming off, which is pretty good, I would say. You can actually see it coming away here. All I've done is spray foam on it, and most of it was chunked up. I'm keen to see how we can get the underneath looking as well.
How good is it looking already? She has not been this crystal clean for a long time, so it's nice to see it sparkling in all her glory. Let's get these windows a wipe so we have no streaks all over them. We're using the microfiber towel. It's nice because it's quite big, so you can fully get in there, but let's get this done.
This side here obviously wasn't as bad, but you can definitely tell the difference between the two. What we have found with the gun as well, it's got really, really good pressure. So when you finish foaming and then you've given it a wipe, or even you can just, if you're really bad like us, foam it and then let it soak in for a bit and then get all the massive chunks away. You can pull it back to where it's just water and the pressure is really, really good. It's almost like a small pressure washer, which is quite nice. All the mud caked off the side steps, got all the mud caked off the back without me even scrubbing it, which was really, really good. Now we're going to smash out this side and do the rims and see how we go. Well, it definitely works. It looks really, really good and it's really easy to use. You literally can spray it on there and mud falls off. Like you saw how hard it was. I was like poking at it and it wouldn't move at all. I'm very, very surprised with it. Do I recommend it? Yes, I do. I definitely do recommend it. Getting that same kit that we have comes with everything. So I would definitely recommend getting that kit as well. So I've still got to do the bottom, like underneath the car. We're going to see how that goes as well. We're just going to show the before and after. Just want to say a big thanks to Salty Captain. And if you're wanting to purchase this product or any of their other products, we have a code with them. It is CO4D15 for 15% off. You can see that down below. You can scan the QR code. They've got quite a few great products. Would highly recommend. And this one actually really works as well. Now to wrap this one up, guys, hope you've enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Cheers for watching.